Hello
minus 2
friends,
minus 4
this video is brought to you
plus
by
6 into 4 minus
www.moeteaching.com.
plus of minus 3 into 3 plus 2. Solving we get half into 9 plus
On the
6
screen
minus 15
are the marks obtained by 10
which
students
is equal to
in
0.
mathematics test.
We say
The
that
data
if
in this
area
form
of triangle
is
is 0
called
square
raw
units,
data.
then its vertices are
It is
collinear,
always difficult to
which
come to a
means that
result from a raw
P,
data.
Q and R
Suppose
are
you are
collinear
asked
points.
what are the maximum
Let us
and
read
the
the
minimum
question.
marks scored.
Find the value of K
The
if the
procedure you
points
would
A,
apply
B and C
will be
are
to
collinear.
search the maximum
We know that if point A,
and
B, C are collinear,
the minimum
then
marks,
area of the triangle formed by them should be
and
equal
it
to
would
0.
take some time for you to
That
search
means
from the
to
raw
find
data.
value of K, we just need to
But
substitute
suppose
in
if I
this
arranged
equation,
the
that is
data in
area of
ascending
triangle
order,
ABC equal to 0.
now
We know the
it
formula
will
to
take
find area of
a
triangle
lot of
ABC.
less time to find out the maximum marks obtained
Substituting the values,
and the
we
minimum
get
marks obtained.
half into 2 times
That
K
would
minus of
mean
minus 3 becomes
that a
K
raw
plus
data
3
needs
plus 4 into
arrangement.
minus 3 plus 6
Also, it is
into
time to understand
3
the range
minus
of the
K
data. The
equal to
difference
0.
of the highest
This
and the
gives
lowest
us
value in the data
half into
is called the range of
minus
the
4
data.
times K equal to
In
0.
this case, highest value of the data is
K
95
equal to 0,
and the lowest is 25.
implying
On
that
subtracting,
coordinates of point
we
B
get
is 4, 0.
70.
Now we can
So,
verify our answer
70 is the
by
range
finding area of
of
triangle
the
ABC,
given data.
taking B as 4, 0
Here you must have
and see
noticed
if area comes out to be
that
0, implying that
presentation of
ABC
data
are
in
collinear.
ascending order, or we can
We are
arrange in
verifying.
descending order, but
We get area
that
of
can
triangle
be quite
ABC
time
as
consuming.
2 into 0
What
plus
if
3
the number of
plus
observations in the
4 into
experiment
minus 3
is very large?
plus 6 into 3
In
minus
such a
0.
case, we have to arrange it differently.
Solving this further,
Let us take up
we will get
another
area of
example
triangle
to
ABC equal to
understand
0,
what we will
hence
do
verified.
if we have a lot of information
Let us read
or
the
a lot
question.
of
If
observations.
A, B, C and D are the vertices of a quadrilateral,
On the screen
find the area
are
of
the marks
quadrilateral
obtained by
ABCD.
30 students of a class.
Here is a rough sketch of a quadrilateral
In this
ABCD.
data, we
If we
observe
join B to D,
that some of the entries are getting
we
repeated.
get two triangles
For instance,
ABD and
70
BCD.
marks are obtained by
Now to find
4
area of
students.
quadrilateral ABCD, we can
Also,
find
there are
area of triangle
larger number of
ABD
observations.
and triangle
So, it won't be
BCD
viable
and add them.
to arrange this data
So let us
in
use
ascending or descending
the formula
order.
for area of triangles
Instead,
and
we will
find
make a table,
area of these two triangles.
marks,
Find the area of triangle
telemarks,
ABD
and the
using
frequency,
the formula.
which is actually
Substituting the
the
values,
number
we
of
get
students
half into
getting those particular marks.
minus 5
Let us start with
into minus
filling
5
the
minus
marks
5
column.
plus
Once the
2 is
marks
minus
column is
4,
complete, we start
5
marking
minus 7
tally marks.
plus 4 into
Only one
7
student
plus
got
5.
10 marks. So, a
Solving
single
this
bar.
further gives us half into
Next,
50
20
plus
marks
8
are obtained
plus 48,
by only
which is
one
equal to
student.
106 by 2, that is
36
53
marks
square units.
are obtained by
Similarly,
3
we
students.
can find area of triangle BCD,
Likewise, we complete
which
the
is equal
tally
to
mark table.
19 square units.
Now, the tally mark table
So, area of
helps
quadrilateral
us
ABCD
to
equal to
complete the frequency
area
column.
of triangle ABD which
Only
is
one
53
student got
square
10
units,
marks. So
plus area of
frequency
triangle
of
BCD, which
students
is
getting
19 square
10
units,
marks is 1.
which is
Similarly,
equal to
only one student
72
got
square
20 marks.
units.
3 students got 36 marks.
So,
4 students
by this example,
got 40 marks.
we have learned
3
to find the
students
area of a polygon
got
by
50
dividing it
marks.
into triangular regions which have no common area
Likewise,
and add the
using the
area of
tally
these
marks,
regions.
we complete the frequency column and note that sum of number of students will be 30. That is the total entries in the data. Such a presentation of data is called an ungrouped frequency distribution table, or simply we can call it frequency distribution table. Note here, we had 30 entries, all of which could be fitted into a column. But suppose if we had 100 entries, then we would make a different type of frequency distribution table, which we should do in our next example.